You are not going to beat many things the way that T-Mobile, T-Mobile, you know, the guys that try to slang cell phone plans to you, the way T-Mobile beat down earnings estimates today. I'm telling you what, 67 cents they came in at. 67 cents EPS. You want to take a guess? You want to take a guess at what they were assumed to come in at? 38 cents. They beat by 29 cents. They beat by 40%. 40%? T-Mobile? Come on, analysts out there. If you're an analyst and you work at one of these major brokerages and you're doing all this forecasting for this stuff and if you're not able to close the gap on 40%, 40% they beat in EPS. 10.2 billion in revenues, beat by, I think it was like 500 million. But the thing was, their net income is up 158%. Their subscribership is up 1.3 million subscribers. Their subscribership in America is actually going up faster than the actual rate of cell phone growth is going up, which means T-Mobile is actually taking customers from the other big telecommunication companies. They're actually growing at a rate faster than because everybody and their dog has a cell phone now, right? So you're talking about people just getting of cell phone age. There's not a lot of growth in the 18 plus, unless we're talking about, people coming to America or Canada in this case, or people getting into that age range where they get a cell phone. T-Mobile's actually growing at a rate faster than the number of people getting cell phones is growing, which means T-Mobile's taking market share, 158% net income up. They got a free cash flow of something like $450 million. They're not, for a telecommunications company, they had to stop trading. They reported after hours. So there was no trading going on the open active market. We're doing after hours trading. Anybody who's trading in the after hours, you do what you want to do. But anyways, in after hours trade, they had to halt T-Mobile because the earnings beat was so big. People do not beat EPS by 40%, not companies this large. T-Mobile, they're smoking it. I don't know what they're doing. We have Rogers and Bell and TELUS up here. I don't know what T-Mobile's doing on a subscriber level, what they're doing for their customers, how great their service must be, but they're clearly, people are sleeping on T-Mobile. I don't know, AT&T, Verizon, you guys better Sprint. It's wake up time. It's wake up time. There is a major player coming in telecommunications if they've not already arrived. T-Mobile beats EPS by 40%. T-Mobile stopped trading after hours. T-Mobile killing it in net incomes, up 158%. T-Mobile up in subscribers more than subscribers are actually subscribing to cell phone plans. T-Mobile, that's how you beat it. There's no other way to beat it other than to absolutely smash down the wall and blast through the glass ceiling. T-Mobile has made a statement here today on Wednesday, July 19th. That's our earnings call.